How to trim a purple sage. Purple sage Salvia leucophylla is an evergreen plant that typically grows 3 to 6 feet tall, though some individual specimens have been known to reach 12 feet tall and 12 feet wide. Purple sage shrubs have aromatic gray-green vegetation, an attractive, airy form and fragrant lavender-pink blooms. They thrive in full sun but need no water once established, which makes them ideal for drought-tolerant landscaping. Plants also tolerate freezing temperatures. This distant relative of culinary sage is best pruned minimally, to support general plant health and encourage optimal flowering in the landscape. Things you will need: bypass type hand pruners. Prune purple sage only with a purpose, because any unnecessary trimming will only diminish the amount of attractive, fragrant flowers. Make major pruning cuts only when purple sage is dormant, near the end of the winter when the coldest temperatures have passed. Assess the shrub and its condition thoroughly before making any additional pruning cuts. First, cut off dead, diseased or otherwise damaged branches and stems. Stand back to study the plant's symmetry and general proportions, walking all the way around if necessary. Make your next cuts to enhance overall balance. Trim lightly to remove dead branches and stems or to make corrective cuts you may have missed earlier at any time during the year. Deadhead spent purple sage flowers for a neater look if desired, but this isn't absolutely necessary because dried flowers look fine too, and leaving them gives seeds a chance to develop and disperse. Tips: warnings. If your purple sage has grown much too large for its location, it may take you 2 or more seasons to safely trim it down to a suitable size. Purple sage grows particularly well in heavy clay but also tolerates sandy soils. Because purple sage provides good cover for quail and other birds and is also a butterfly favorite, it is great for wildlife-friendly landscaping. Never prune more than 30% of your purple sage in a given year. File your vegetation trimmings in one place nearby, so you can see how much you've already cut as you work.